Today is very gloomy. It looks so nice. Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And yes, I am back with another video. Firstly, I will take a small moment to thank all those people who have been watching my videos and also sending me messages personally that they are liking my vlog. Thank you so much guys, it really means a lot to me. And yes, I am back with another video today. So today, me and my roommate, we have planned to go out on a movie date, kind of a outing for us. And the weather today in Chennai, personally for me it's a very good weather because it's raining and I love rain, but not a very good weather to go out. But still we are going out because hamro off मिल्दैन. Sometimes she has off, sometimes I have off, so it's not every time on the same day. Well, आज चाहिँ मेरो my standby got maintained and usko पनि it got maintained, so both of us we have planned to go out for a movie. And movie चाहिँ it's a Bollywood movie. I think everybody knows अहिले भर्खर रिलिज भइरहेको छ वरुण धवनको भेडिया. So let's go and watch Bhediya and I'll show you guys about everything about today's day of mine. So for that, please stay tuned and watch this vlog till the end. I don't know what is wrong with my hair today, so and I just don't have much time to fix this. Before going out, I'll give you guys my fit check, like what I'm wearing today. So I wore this cardigan type of a crop top from Urbanic, and I've paired up this with my parallel trouser which I bought from Flipkart and just for 250 rupees, so affordable. I wore these shoes which I bought from Myntra, which is of Tokyo Talkies, and I'm carrying this bag which I bought from Meesho. And yes, this is my simple outfit for a movie date. Let's go and see what Sayukta is wearing. Sayukta is gonna give her fit check. So let's start with these earrings.
Okay.
We have both these earrings.
So I got this earring from Marina Mall, Chennai.
What are you wearing?
There was a trade fair going on, so I got these earrings from there. Also this kurti, and I've teamed up with this palazzo given by my mom. Yeah. And this I got this bag for myself on my birthday, and this chappal I think I got from Dehradun.
Excited to movie ka lagi? Very excited. So we have reached mall. Movie चाहिँ अहिले कति अलिक टाइम रहेछ. So अब we'll eat something, you know.
It's very cold, so we're gonna have some tea. After garam garnuलाई.
It was raining so badly है Sayukta, but still we made it. हामी आइपुग्यो यहाँनिर. Now let's eat something. Sayuktaलाई चाहिँ यहाँको चिया पुरा मनपर्छ. I think this is our third time है यहाँनिर. मेरो चाहिँ third time. तिम्रो कति टाइम हो? Hi Anna. Let's order. We always sit here and eat, so today also we are gonna sit here. यहाँबाट चाहिँ भ्यू चाहिँ एकदम राम्रो देखिन्छ. That is why we always sit here. आज पनि हामी आउँछ भनेर खाली रहेछ. So we'll sit here. Finally, after eating, shopping, movie को टाइम भएको छ. अब चाहिँ हामी मुभी हेर्न जाँदैछौँ. Yes. हाई बोलिदिन्छ न. हाई. हाई. Can I ask something? Yes. Say hi. Hi. Which movie you are gonna watch?
I honestly don't know.
You don't know.
I mean, no, I just came with my mom and dad. My mom and out somewhere.
Hi, your sister is so cute. So we have got in. We are not allowed to make videos, but still we are making. Saita, don't like this? Looky. Let's go and watch Bhediya. Saita. So right now, it's half time movie ko, and we have came out to get something to eat. So movie so far it's going very interesting. I'm really liking it. I'll tell you guys after completing the whole movie.
Done,
Waiting for some more order. Let's drink some coffee. Sayuta, how was the movie? How was the movie?
Movie was good.
Only good.
Movie was very nice because it has a good message,
Okay.
especially to those people who have no idea about so many things. So I love the movie.
Rate kara ta movie la out of 10.
Out of 10, I would rate the movie 9. 9 out of 10.
One thing जुन चाहिँ तिमीलाई मुभी घरमा एकदम बेसी मन पर्यो.
गरौँ त भन.
मलाई चाहिँ उयो मन पर्यो भेडिया.
भेडिया
तिमीलाई मुभी कस्तो लाग्यो? And what did you like the most about the movie?
भेडिया.
Okay, so 10 बटी कति रेट गर्छौ मुभीलाई?
10 बजा म 10 नै गरिदिन्छु. राम्रो लाग्यो नि त.
Okay, ल.